Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to transfer money from PayPal to Unionbank in 2025, you're in the right place. This process has gotten even smoother with the latest updates, making it quick and secure. Whether you're a freelancer getting paid or just managing your finances, let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have a verified PayPal account and a linked Unionbank account. If you haven't linked them yet, don't worry, I'll walk you through it step by step. Start by opening the PayPal app or website and logging in with your credentials. Once you're in, head over to the Wallet section, which is usually found in the main menu. Next, look for the option to add or link a bank account. Select Unionbank from the list of available banks. You'll need to enter your Unionbank account details, like your account number and routing information. PayPal might ask for verification, so keep an eye out for a small test deposit or a confirmation code sent to your Unionbank account. This is a standard security measure in 2025 to prevent fraud. Once your accounts are linked, go back to your PayPal balance and select Transfer to Bank. Enter the amount you want to move, double-check the details, and hit Confirm. The transfer usually takes 1 to 3 business days, but with 2025's faster processing, it might be quicker depending on your location. A quick tip: always check for any fees involved. PayPal might charge a small amount for international transfers, and Unionbank could have their own policies. If you run into any issues, like an error message, make sure your accounts are in good standing and try updating your app to the latest version. There you have it. That's how you transfer money from PayPal to Unionbank in 2025. It's straightforward once you know the steps, and it puts you in control of your funds. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more finance tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. I'll see you in the next video.